Hi, this is Ashish from Seven Sports. So today I will be telling you how you can register as a sports person in Seven Sports. Okay, so Seven Sports is a sports aggregator, and there is a big community of sports person, coaches, a lot of facilities which are associated with Seven Sports, and of course we have a fan club and audience. So today I would be giving you a detail about how as a sports person you can utilize Seven Sports platform and engage and connect with different sports person and coaches and participate in various events. Okay. So first you have to go to the Seven Sports app and then you have to register as a sports person. You just fill out this form and register. So once you are registered, I have already created my account. So you just go here and log in. So registration is a simple process. Once you register, you get an email, and based on that email, you can verify your email and you can log in based on the password which you have given during the time of registration. So once you log in, you get this dashboard. Okay, and in this dashboard, the events which you already are participating, that those events will be shown here. And if you want to view all the events, then you can view all the events from this screen, the events screen, and here you can actually participate. So participation now so participation button will come here. You can participate and you can participate in that event. Now coming to how you can, so this is about the events and the participation. Today I would be primarily covering website development, your web presence. So as a sports person, you always have a need to showcase yourself, who you are, and so that other communities and other coaching institutes and other opportunities where you can play, you can connect to them. So today I will be telling you more about the web page builder. So let me first show you a web page. Okay, this is a web page which was developed for by this account of sports person. Okay, so this is, once you register, you can go to the website and you can actually create three websites of your own. Okay, with different themes, and this is how the website will look actually. Okay, your website on the right hand side, if you see, a hero image will come and the logos, your team, these are the people who are already connected to you on the platform. So they are like your coach, your manager. So whichever organization you will be allocated, based on that your team will appear here. Then your name, your description, your message, the message, some message which you want to give to general public, and uh, something about yourself and the sports you played. And this is the code. This code tells us about, this is a unique code, like a code. Suppose you are a badminton player, so you can get a code from the Badminton Association of India by ID. Similarly, other associations give their own code. So if you're registered in the national association, then you can give the code and your date of birth, and any institute, if you are taking training from any institute, you can put that, and the year you started playing. Okay, then you can also put some other team members if you are playing doubles in badminton, or if you have a football team, or uh, so cricket teams, you can put the name of the members here, there, and the trophies you have won. And you also get a contact us form and the Google location where you are. So this is all how you can create your web page. Okay, now how you will create is, as I told you, you can just log in. You can create an account, you log in, and you come to this website panel. Okay, so this sports person has already created this website already, and so what we can do is we will create one more for him, and let us see how we can create. So first you have to go and give name. I've already pre-filled, so just name, etc. You can give, and you can put the code. This code is very important. This is unique, so uh, by this we will be able to search you, and then you can select your date of birth, etc. from here. Okay, and this is very important. Are you registering as a player or a district level team or a state level team? So this is very important. So put all this information, and whenever you started playing, so select the year. When you select year when you started playing. Okay, and Then if you all, then this email is very important, because based on this email, if you see on the right hand side, your form would be, your web page would be created. So if a person contacts you from the contact us form from your website, then you will get his message on the email which you have registered here. So it is very important that you fill in the correct email, because all the messages from your website will come on this your email. Then if you already have a home page or a profile page, you can put that data also here. And then there is a domain. Suppose you already, so as you know, Seven Sports creates free websites for you. So as a sports person, you can just register freely. But if you already have a domain, so your website landing page would be something like www.sendpost.com institute and some number, right? But if you don't want this big page and you want to connect to your own domain, then for pro users, for the general users, no, this domain won't be used. But for the pro users, you can register a domain, and then you can link that domain to this web page. Okay. Then if you have a Facebook ID, you can put the Facebook. And if you want to show this or not show this, active or negative, this is what it is. Put some address over here. Okay. Uh, and this location is very important. This location tells, this location will show in the location Google Maps. So tag this location where you are. This location would be used to search the events for you, as well as it would serve as your current location, so that any coaching institutes, any opportunities, any practice matches, or any tournaments which are being played nearby you would be posted to you, so that in your dashboard, all the events which are nearby you would automatically appear based on this location. So it is very important you put it correctly. So once you have filled up all this information, you can just press the create website button. Okay. And see, now it is successfully created. And if you press the OK button, now you can see this new web page is created. Now how to see it? You just click here and see the web page is already created here, right? Now this web page is very, like, it is just the information which we had just put a moment back, but there are no photos, no hero image, nothing. So the next is how to decorate this, how to add photos and your team members and your trophies and some backgrounds and some other stuff to decorate this. So the next step is you just go to the screen and just press the edit button. Okay. And from the edit, you can create, you can add some photos. So you just put, you go to this add new image, and in this image you can add some content here. So let us, I will just quickly tell you how to add an image. Like, suppose you want to add a hero image. So hero image is the image which will come at the top. So there are different kinds of image. Let us put the hero image. There are banner. There is a banner image also. So I will tell you what are the. So there are two kinds of images. One is the static image and one is the dynamic image. So static image is like a banner image. A banner image is serves like a section divider. So if you see in your web page, you have several sections. Our team, and then description, then your message, about me, sports played, and your training institute. Okay, these are all sections. So a banner serves as a section divider, and so you can tag a banner to the places where you put. Okay. And then you have hero image. Hero image comes on the top. You can also add a logo. So the logo will come here. There nothing is coming. It is just showing as A, because the name starts with A, right? But you can put a logo also over here. You can add some background. So this is just white background. You can add some background images also. Similarly, the dynamic images are the images which you can add, which comes after these sections. So and before the contact us form. So before the contact us form, if you want to add some more images related to, let us suppose, the trophies you have won, or suppose you want to show your team members, and suppose as a player, you want to promote some services or you want to promote some products. So that information also you can add as image using this form. So we will quickly go through this one by one. Let us add a banner image first, and then we will keep on decorating it. Okay. So let me add a banner image here. Okay, not a banner. Let me add a hero image first. Okay, so if I put a hero image, I can tell that this world of sport is something which I put as a timeline, and you can tell something about yourself in the image. Uh, so Akhil, the national champion. So the hero image is like the image which tells about your story, right? So if you add this image here, this image will appear here. I think this image is added. Let me just quickly see the world of sports, and now you can see Akhil, the national champion, right? So you have added hero image. Similarly, you can add some banner images also. Uh, I will not go into much detail here, uh, but let us add some more images. Okay. Now this image, hero image, is not tied to any section, but let us suppose you want to tie an image to a section. Suppose you want a face. Suppose on the about us. Suppose uh, about me, you want to put your own photo. So this is a section. About me is a section, and under this section you want to put your own photo. So what you can do is you can choose the thumbnail, and then you can select the section for which you want to show this picture. Okay, and suppose about me. Okay, and just add the picture. So suppose this is your face about me, and you just add it here, and that's it. So once you add it, let me just see it again. See, under the about me, your image is come. So this is the idea. uh, you can tie an image to a section also, otherwise the image will go to its default section. I mean, to wherever it is most naturally it should come, right? So this is all about the static images. So you can put a hero image, banner image, or some images which you can tie to these sections. Now let us go to the dynamic images. Okay, let us add some more and go to the dynamic images. And in the dynamic images, suppose you want to showcase your trophies. Okay, so there is a trophies section, and how you want to show, like a slideshow. Suppose you want to show it as a slideshow of your trophies. So let us add some trophies here for you. Okay, and like Asian Game gold medal and trophy I won in Asian Games gold medal in 2025. So every dynamic image, you will just tell what it is and some description about it. So it will show. And this is a render style. So render style is how you want to show it, as a slideshow, or there are many things: slideshow, gallery, grid, carousel, masonry list. So there are multiple options based on which you can show, right? So once I will add it, this image will show up here. Okay. See, under the trophies. You can add multiple. If you add multiple trophies, it will come as a slider over here. And similarly, you can add different things. I can also add probably one more image to show you how it comes. Let me add a dynamic image of a trophy again, which you had won, and as a slideshow. Okay, and let me add it once again. Maybe this trophy. Okay, I give some description here. And because I chose the render style as slideshow, all your trophies will come under the slideshow. So currently only one is showing. Now I think two will come because it's already stored. So see, this one trophy and two trophy and Asian Game gold medal. So how, why you win this trophy? So this is the main concept. So dynamic, you can put lot of not only trophies. What else you can put as a dynamic image? Let me show you. There are multiple things which you can put as a dynamic image, like trophies, product, services, illustrations, your staff, okay, or uh, your team members. Okay, you can add your team members' faces also. So the process is same, just we add it, and then we have to give it a render style. How you want to show? You want to show either a slide or a grid or a list or as a carousel, and that's it. So that's it from my side. Finally, I would also maybe just try to show some more things here. Uh, let us let us try to add a background image, maybe. Okay. Uh, let's choose some background here, and background comes under the static. So under the static, I don't choose the banner, but a background. Now background, if you do not give any section to the background will be for the whole page. But if you want to give a section, suppose you want to give a section like you want to put your about me section only in this background, then only the about me section will come. Right now I will just put nothing, there's none. So I think this background, now once I save this, this background will be the background of the home page. Okay, see the background has changed. Okay, see the background has changed. You can actually add multiple background also. In that case, what will happen? Your background will keep on fading and changing. So all the backgrounds will come and they will wait for 2 seconds, then they will fade. Okay. So that fade effect you will get on your. So this is how it is. How simple it is. You can just create your own homepage. We just created. So yeah. So you can come and register to Seven Sports and uh, have the benefit of it. Okay. Thank you.